Hello and welcome back to Redirecting. I wanted to do this quick video right here showing these blue tires here. These tires I got from a salvage yard, and I thought I would use them as planters. Excuse my citronella plants there. Some of the leaves need to come on off. These are just citronella plants that we use to hold back or keep back mosquitoes. They don't like the smell. But anyway, I wanted to show you this. I found these matching tires, and I love the print on them. They were in a salvage yard. They were just being thrown away, so they were free. And I decided to use them as planters, or planter stands, should I say, because they still have the rims in them, so there's no dirt in them, but I'm able to sit plants on top of them. But when you look at that beautiful pattern and you apply whatever color you want, this is a great, inexpensive way to get beautiful splashes of color in a garden. And so I'm thinking of creative ways to get beautiful splashes of color in a garden, because color and patterns and things of that nature and flowers, stuff like that, just they bring a lot of joy. Okay, planter boxes and things of that nature, those are great ways to bring splashes of color into your garden. And so I have these, and then I also have these right here. Okay, the other one, let me just go over here, have a matching tire for that one as well. And so this was an inexpensive, free way to add splashes of color to the garden. So you get tires. These are smaller tires too. They're not like tires that you put on a vehicle, but you can use those as well. But I found these, they had rims in them, and being able to put flower pots on them gave them a purpose. Even without that, I could have done something else very crafty with them as well. But I decided to do this, and I chose the colors that I wanted. Blue is my favorite color, and so of course I chose blue. Okay, and then I have those two matching blue planters there, and on opposite ends here. And at the other end, I have these beautiful patterns on the tires, and we put a beautiful color on them as well. And so I just wanted to share this video with you all to give you some great ideas on adding color to your garden. Okay, that's it, family. With that, I will say shalom.